The modern office functions as an integrated mechanical system, a network defined by a continuous flow of data, tasks, and administrative demands. This system has a hard speed limit. Organizational momentum moves only as fast as infrastructure allows. This creates workflow friction, when human administrative speed outpaces physical capacity, causing a traffic jam at a constriction point. Localized delays eventually back up the entire system. Left unaddressed, this friction paralyzes an organization's human capital. Sarah's office had been experiencing this type of stagnation for months. The bottleneck was caused by hardware that lacked the capacity to process high-volume printing jobs. These limitations triggered daily glitches. The hardware couldn't keep up. Cascading delays impacted every department. Sarah's hardware overhaul was a structural requirement. With technical glitches recurring daily, the office needed new equipment to prevent a total operational halt. To manage these demands, Sarah restructured the department's equipment strategy. She moved away from temporary fixes and towards a complete system modernization. She partnered with a technology provider to evaluate high-capacity hardware. Sarah worked within a strict constraint. The new system had to be affordable and fit inside the existing quarterly budget. She specifically targeted multifunctional copiers and wireless scanners to replace the outdated units. Effective modernization requires this balance, increasing technical capability while adhering to fixed financial parameters. Sarah prioritized durability, carefully selecting modern hardware built specifically to handle the physical strain of heavy, continuous daily use. The second pillar of her strategy was the switch to energy-efficient equipment. High power consumption is a hidden systemic cost. By choosing efficient hardware, Sarah targeted the strain on company resources directly. For the third pillar, Sarah set up an automated vendor-managed inventory system for paper and toner. This automation loop tracks supply levels digitally. Replacement cartridges are delivered exactly as needed, removing the need for manual monitoring or staff intervention. These three pillars, durability, efficiency, and automation, shift the workspace into a proactive posture. The new physical infrastructure created immediate positive effects across the office ecosystem. The new hardware's efficiency had direct financial impact. While productivity increased, monthly power bills dropped significantly. On this chart, a perfectly flat line represents operational downtime. The automated supply chain ensured the team never stopped work from maintenance or empty cartridges. By addressing the hardware bottleneck, Sarah successfully stopped a major systemic financial leak. Following the upgrade, productivity increased across every department. Removing technological friction allowed the staff to refocus their energy on high-value administrative demands instead of troubleshooting broken tools. Upgrading this equipment increases the workspace's output capacity. It resets the physical limits on what the staff can produce in a standard workday. To maximize the output of the people in an organization, you must first build a frictionless environment for their tools.